Hi friends, welcome to our channel once again. Today most interesting important for RRB, SI, various competitive examinations national and international level. We are going to discuss. Please watch till the end and get the good knowledge. Okay, component and dividendo. Also, it is one of the application of component and dividendo you are going to get in commercial maths or business mathematics. With the help of that one, we are going to do this problem. Given a is equal to this 4xy by x plus y, then the value of this expression in most simplified form. So the question is big and the answers are small. Let us switch on to our solution now. Before that, the heading is nothing but componendo and dividendo. So what do you mean by? Let us go through it now. So I am writing here, if a by b is equal to c by d, then by componendo and dividendo I can write here a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. This we are going to apply in our problem. Okay, so this is said to be the component and dividendo. Before starting here, a is given, you have to simplify this expression. In generally, by seeing the question, many of the students will substitute the value of a here, a in this here, here and here. You are going to simplify, you are going to get the same answer without component and dividendo, nothing but with LCM. But here I am going to apply this. Let us start now. So if you observe carefully, in our expression to be determined, a plus 2 by a minus 2x, a plus 2y by a minus 2y. If you are aware of this one, you can do very easily. So now solution given. What is given? A is equal to 4xy by x plus y. Okay. Since you have a and 2x, a and 2y with respect to plus and minus, now I am going to consider this one, a by 2x is equal to 1 2 has been shifted to this side, one more 2 will be remaining and x also shifted. So a by 2x is equal to 2y by x plus y. This is the value of a by 2x. Also, again this implies a by 2y. From this expression I can write 2x by x plus y. So this step plays important role to go through it now. So therefore now consider this one, a plus 2x by a minus 2x. This we are going to apply now here, a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. So therefore now from this I am going to consider componendo and dividendo. So nothing but a plus 2x by a minus 2x is equal to 2y plus x plus y by 2y. Since you have two terms, so minus of x plus y. So please friends be aware of this case here. Since you have two terms, before that you have minus, so please have the bracket. That is a mistake students will do, keep it in mind. So now I can write it as x plus 3y by here 2y minus x minus y. So this implies a plus 2x by a minus 2x is equal to x plus 3y by y minus x. This is nothing but the first part I have been completed. Which part I have been completed? This part. So this part I got here. Okay. Now consider. So consider our expression again one more. What is one more expression? A by 2y is equal to 2x by x plus y. Applying again the component and dividendo for this expression, now I can write a plus, here this one, a plus 2y by a minus 2y is equal to 2x plus y by 2x minus of x plus y. So after this I am going to get here this part, nothing but a plus 2y by a minus 2y is equal to 3x plus y by 2x minus x. 2x minus x is 2x minus x is 1x minus y. So x minus y. Okay. So let us mark our equations now. This is our main equation. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. So this we got, and this is our third equation, and this is our fourth equation. So half part, major part has been completed. Now what is our intention? To get the value of this one, a plus 2x by a minus 2x plus a plus 2y by a minus 2y. So we are ready with our these parts, third and fourth. So therefore adding 3, 4 we get. So therefore consider the LHS part of third equation, a plus 2x by a minus 2x, plus consider the LHS part of fourth equation, a plus 2y by a minus 2y here. Now a plus 2x is nothing but I got here x plus 3y by y minus x, plus this part I got here 3x plus y by x minus y. So in generally again many of the students will go for the LCM. So in order to do the better LCM here, this is y minus x, this is x minus y. So change by considering taking as minus common, so that I can write minus of x plus y, x plus 3y by here x minus y. Just I have taken minus common, so that minus by plus gives you minus, plus this I'll get it as 3x plus y by x minus y. Now the denominators are same here. Now I can write here x minus y minus x minus 3y plus 3x plus 3y. So before bracket you have minus, the signs will change. So nothing but I can write here 2x minus x plus 3x, 2x minus 3y plus 1y minus 2y by x minus y. So taking 2 as common, x minus y by, here it is x minus y. Since the operation is multiplication, I can cancel it. So final answer is 2. Okay. So in this way the componendo and dividendo we can implement very easily. 2 is nothing but our D option, 2 is nothing but, and since they said that simplified form, so this is also our simplification, one more simplification. And the same problems has been asked in NTSC 2016-17 paper. Okay. So this is the application of component and dividendo. This is the formula, the principle of component and dividendo. Once you have the total look. So students, please be aware of this. Okay, this and this are the major steps. Then you can proceed. Apply component and dividendo there, here and here. Equation 3 and equation 4 has been done by component and dividendo. So finally the D option. So I hope that you like the video a lot. Please share, subscribe, comment our Square Maths YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Signing out.